Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you, my dear subscribers and all my viewers? I hope you all are well and fine. So today we are going to talking about gorgeous Princess Lady Diana. So my beautiful viewers, what is your favorite memory of moment of Lady Diana's life and legacy? And tell me, how do you think Lady Diana's humanitarian work impact the world? What do you admire most about Lady Diana's style and fashion sense? And please tell me in comment box, how do you think Lady Diana's sons William and Harry have carried on her legacy? And please tell me in comment box, what is your favorite photo or image of Lady Diana and why is significant to you? And how did Lady Diana's story and struggles inspire or influence you personally? And also, what do you think is Lady Diana's most enduring legacy and why? If you could ask Lady Diana's one question, what would it be? And how do you think Lady Diana's life and legacy continue to influence contemporary culture? And last, what do you think is the most important lesson or message that Lady Diana's life teaches? So my beautiful viewers, join us as we celebrate the life and legacy of Lady Diana, the People Princess. From her royal wedding to her humanitarian work, we will take a brief look at her remarkable journey. Watch until the end for a special message. Thanks again you for watching this video. If you like to learn more about Lady Diana's incredible life and legacy, please watch the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content. In this video, we will dive deeper into Lady Diana's life, exploring her childhood, her marriage to Prince Charles, and her tireless work for charitable cases. We will also examine her enduring legacy and how she continues to inspire us today. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. And please tell me in comment box, what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future? And I wanted to take a moment to tell you about an amazing my YouTube channel. Mother Fashion is very close to my heart. So please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell and support me. If you love fashion, beauty and style, you will adore her content. From trendy outfit ideas to makeup tutorial and product reviews. My beautiful viewers, so if you looking for inspiration, guidance or just a fresh dose of fashion fun, please check out my channel. I know you will love it just as much as do. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell and show me some love in the comments. Thanks again for watching, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. You are watching Lady Diana's Princess of Wales. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you like this video. If you like this video and want to see more videos about Lady Diana, please tell me in comment box, what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future? So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, thanks again for watching.